Here I am. I'm Al Poncho, Al the cook as well. Al Poncho's a vegan chef. He's done a lot of brilliant work. That's me. I've done brilliant work. Can't knock it. Can't knock it. So what we got? We've got a very sharp knife. Got lots of meat. Gammon, pork and beef. Doing a 3 meats sausage. So this is one that I prepared earlier, but I forgot to take it out of the packet. Here it is. I've shown it in a different video. Character is Richard, who's showing you all of this, not Al Poncho, the actual vegan chef. That's me as well. So you understand that there is a reality to this comedy and to this physical movement of vegetarian vegan foods with encouragement to no slaughter. Encouragement to no slaughter. Encouragement to no slaughter. Shall I leave the fat content in there? I think so. The problem is it doesn't grind down too well in there. I've got a food grinder by hand. The little table behind me where I could fit the food grinder on. Need to get this down to a paste, so I'm thinking about putting a bit of acid stabiliser in, which I use, which is baking soda and plain flour to bulk these out as 3 meats with flour. I've got 12 metres of this stuff and it's all going to be cooked today. Waiting for this to thaw out a bit. I'd frozen it to keep it fresh. There's minced pork. Got that off the Abingdon market. There's minced beef. And in the bottom there is 15% Tesco's meat. I think that's Beers meat and Tesco's meat in there. One's off the monthly Friday market. None of it's off the Abingdon Monday weekly market. None of it. I'll show you some pictures. Of it's finished. I'm thinking about winding the casing up and then cutting them off open with a small hole so it'll expand and let the gas out, because if you tie them up too tight, you fill them up with too much content, then put them on the shelf the wrong way, there's a line down these casings and it splits open. So let's try this way.